Hey guys, I'm going to mash up some cow foot. Yeah. So I just sort out my cow foot, wash it with some lime, and you have to thoroughly wash your cow foot good and thing. And I have my bean over here, my broad bean. Wash and everything. I'm going to put them to soak. I'm going to put them in a container with some water. Yeah. So I'm going to season up this cow foot and leave it till the morning. Yeah, make the season go on. You don't know the usual thing. Marinate. Yeah, man. So catch you back when I done this. Some garlic powder, that guys. Don't know, we need a little tips of browning and thing. Yeah, we not use too much browning because we make the pot hot and then we just put it in, brown him up little before we put in any water on it. Yeah. So guys, you preheat your pot, and I'm using a little oil, vegetable oil, just to base the pot. Yeah, I love to brown up my cow foot first before I pressure it. So just a little thing to base it so it don't stick. Yeah. So as soon as that hot now, I'm going to toss them in. Look at that, guys. I have to brown it up, let it take its color before I start pressuring. So guys, that is our cow foot all brown up. You see it brown and nice. And I'm using some bean. I'm not using the tin bean, which is softer, so I have to put in my bean from now with the cow foot. So I'm gonna put some water now on it. I'm gonna cover and start the pressure in. Yeah, some broad bean, which I put to soak. So I'm going to put one more cup of water and this, cover it and leave it to pressure. Yeah. So guys, I'm using some pimento. I'm putting in a piece of garlic, not garlic, ginger. I'm using a piece of ginger, and I'm using some onion, thyme, fresh spring thyme as usual, scallion. I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper, bad boy over here. So yeah, I cut up one of it and I'm using one whole. So we're gonna toss all of this in other goodness, niceness cow foot here. Yeah.